What's good, everybody? It's your boy Mark Summers, Major Linux, MajorOffline, and I'm out here just in the street, just chilling. You know, got napping baby in the back. Look, he's sleeping. He's sleeping. I'm still trying to learn. I'm back on my DJI Osmo 2, Mobile 2. I forget the model on this thing. It's so many names. But I'm here in downtown Durham. Gonna check out like probably the last leg or so of CenterFest, I think is what this calls, a little art thing that they do here in downtown Durham. Figured I'd get out, chill with the fam. My parents, my sister, a couple of my nieces are on their way down here as well. I figured I'd join them, bring my son. We need to get out the house, do something. It's a beautiful Saturday. It's hot. It's hot today. But also I wanted to go ahead and test out the new cameras on the iPhone 11 Pro. So right now you can kind of see me use the front-facing camera here. It's a 12 megapixel camera. Looks pretty good. Looks sharp on my screen, but then again, you know, it is my screen. I don't know what this is going to look like if I put it on a bigger screen, but yeah, figure it out. But yeah, so I'm gonna let him catch a little bit more sleep. I'm just gonna chill here for a bit, just listen to some more of this giant beast cast while from parents can hear there. Probably about half, still about maybe about 15-20 minutes out. Yeah, so hopefully we should have some fun. Hopefully kind of get some good footage, because with it being a art festival, should be light. Should be, you know, nice, bright, colorful. Of course, you know, we got two children running around. Because like his youngest older cousin should be here with them. So hopefully they'll all get to play together and, you know, kind of get some footage and kind of see what these cameras are all about. So hopefully we can really experiment with the 3 cameras in the back, like the telephoto, the wide and the ultra wide. See how they perform out here. Yep, until then, we'll see you around. Well, think about it. It's benefiting the arts here in the city.
Really?
I mean, it is it's an arts festival, yeah. Huh?
How old are you? Huh? You 12. You learn that trick yet?
I'll pay for lunch. Okay. Come on, baby.
How old are you?
Oh, Mama, let me tell you. Yeah, we finna pass this big group.
At least you got my card.
What's the pay?
Hold my hand, Juicy.
Wait, you let go of Katie?
Huh?
Katie. We need a map.
No, Grandma, I said, Grandma, you can get a map. She said, I just asked you. Let me see.
Y'all want me to vote dance?
Is it the green one or the black one?
It's the black one.
Like mama, we don't like mama. Oh, we got another one.
You got it right.
But look at her. She's carrying hers.
It's too many people out here.
Self-driving automobiles, right?
There you go. Right. It's just in case we got to grab it real quick.
Go
ahead, Juicy. Let me see. Go ahead, Juicy. Go ahead, let me see a dance move. Y'all not paying attention?
Get it, girl. Get it. So scrap the biscuit.
You should see my apartment. It looks like there's nothing there. It's on my face. I like it.
have
Can I just text you? I'll call you later.
You want a bus, baby? Like a bus? You want a bus? What you say? Thank you.
You're not going to throw me under that bus.
Yeah, we're gonna throw you up.
That's for me.
Under the bus.
That's for me.
Oh, okay.
What you got? Oh, you got bus? You gonna drive the bus? Vroom vroom.
You want grandma to hold it? You want me to hold it for you? Okay, let's go find Hummer. Let's go catch up with Hummer, okay? Go
The
get
super
Hummer.
cat speed?
Hey, look, you better hold on to him there. And he's in a tractor pull. Look, he's in a tractor pull.
you pull that big trailer.
His daddy told him super cat speed. He started running. I said he's looking at a tractor pull.
Super cat speed.
Well, you better, your papa better hold you there.
What's up, baby?
Your grandma don't even have snail speed. I got 2 speeds, slow and stop. No.
Can you flip it? I want to see myself in your phone.
Not much stuff up that way.
Oh, I thought she was flipping me.
Yeah, but I don't want her.
That's what I'm saying.
It's okay, Slip. It's all right, Slip. What did mommy tell you earlier?
It's cute. Got some Simpsons.
It's okay. You see the puppy?
Huh? I got you. Huh? What's up? Where do you see Ryder? I don't see Ryder.
But if that's the case, then you can go back into the other side of the drink up into the here. this way. Just find out each and pop up, okay? Watch the water, Alan. Watch the water. Big water all over, but at least it ain't gonna be a big flood. Candace says, okay, let's just splash through it. Hey, big ass, get tangled up, okay? Come on, boo-boo.
Say thank you, Chloe.
Thank you very much. Excellent. Thanks.
Right? You're like,
I did that. I made it. Tell me. Attitude, no. It's me. What do you say? You say thank you? Well.
What you got, Summer?
Face paint.
What do you say? You want stickers?
You
You show me what you got?
butterfly. Oh my goodness.
You show me what you got?
Yeah, we had to fight to get that done. But,
Oh, that's so cool.
you want a sticker, Kay?
You want some stickers?
Oh, no. Okay.
Okay, he says, I want to keep moving.
all right, I don't blame them. You're moving. It's okay. Have a good one, y'all.
Thank you. I love your leash. It's awesome. It's not a leash. It's a kid keeper upper with. You hear me, Mom? Are we getting the kids something to drink or are we waiting until we go eat?